Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello, everyone. Hello and welcome. I am David. I am very happy to be here today. How are you feeling today, Alice?
Hello, David. Hello, everyone. I feel good. I feel calm. It is a quiet day for me. The weather is nice. I am ready to learn English.
That is very nice, Alice. I am happy you feel calm. Today, I also feel calm. I have a cup of tea. I am sitting comfortably. This is a good moment to learn English slowly.
Yes, slowly is good for me. When English is fast, I feel nervous. When English is slow, I feel relaxed.
That is very normal. Many learners feel the same. That is why today we speak slowly, very slowly. We take our time. No rush, no stress.
That sounds good. What is our topic today, David?
Today, our topic is very simple and very important. Our topic is Speak English Slowly. This is your first English practice. We will practice together, step by step.
Speak English slowly. I like that topic. Sometimes I speak fast and I make mistakes.
Yes, speaking fast can be difficult. Speaking slowly can help you think. It can help you feel confident. It can help people understand you.
I want that. I want people to understand me when I speak English.
And they will, slowly, one step at a time. Today, we talk about speaking English slowly. We practice slow English. We listen, we repeat, we relax.
Okay, I am ready.
Very good. Before we start, let us take a small breath. In and out. Good. English is not a race. English is a journey.
I like that. English is a journey.
Yes, and today we enjoy the journey together. Now, let us begin gently.
Let's begin.
Before we go into the lesson, I want to say something small to our listeners. If you like this slow English practice, you can like the video. You can subscribe to the channel. This helps us continue.
Yes, if you subscribe, you can learn more English with David and Alice.
Exactly. Very simple, very friendly. We are happy you are here with us.
Thank you for listening.
Now, let us go to our main idea. Speak English slowly. Alice, why do you think speaking slowly is good?
I think speaking slowly helps me choose the right words. I feel more relaxed.
Very good answer. Speaking slowly helps your brain. You have more time to think, more time to choose words.
Yes, when I speak fast, I feel lost.
Many people feel lost when they speak fast. Let me explain slowly. Speaking slowly means you say words with space. You do not hurry.
So, speak with space.
Yes, for example, instead of saying, I want to go to work now, you say, I want to go to work now. Slowly, clear.
I want to go to work now. Slowly.
Very good. Another example. Instead of, how are you doing today, you say, how are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
Excellent. Again, speaking slowly helps people understand you.
I see. Speaking slowly is kind.
Yes, it is kind to yourself. It is kind to the listener. Let's say you are in a shop. You speak slowly to the shopkeeper.
Like, hello, I want this, please.
Perfect. The shopkeeper understands you. You feel proud. This is real life.
I like that example.
Another idea. When you speak slowly, you make fewer mistakes. This is important.
Fewer mistakes. That sounds good.
For example, fast speech can mix words. Slow speech separates words. Again, slow is better.
So, slow English is clear English.
Exactly. Slow English is clear English. Let me repeat. Slow English is clear English.
Slow English is clear English.
Very good. Now, let us talk about confidence. Speaking slowly builds confidence.
How?
When you speak slowly, you feel in control. You are not scared. You are calm. For example, you meet a new person.
Yes, that is scary for me.
That is okay. You say slowly, "Hello, my name is Alice. Nice to meet you."
Hello, my name is Alice. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. You spoke slowly. You did well. You feel good.
Yes, I feel good.
Again, speaking slowly is not wrong. It is smart.
Sometimes people speak fast and I feel stupid.
You are not stupid. You are learning. Slow learning is strong learning.
Slow learning is strong learning.
Yes. Let me give another example. At work, you talk to your boss.
That is difficult.
It can be. You say slowly, "I finished my work. I need help, please."
I finished my work. I need help, please.
Very clear, very polite. Speaking slowly helps at work.
I understand.
Now, I want to explain again in another way. Speaking slowly gives your mouth time. It gives your brain time.
Time is important.
Yes, time is your friend. Let's say the word understand.
Understand.
Now, slowly. Stand.
Understand.
Very good. Slow practice helps pronunciation.
I want better pronunciation.
Speaking slowly helps that. Again, slow English helps pronunciation. Slow English helps confidence. Slow English helps clarity.
Many good things.
Yes, many good things. Now, let's do a small practice.
Okay.
Repeat after me, slowly. I speak English slowly.
I speak English slowly.
Again, I speak English slowly.
I speak English slowly.
Good. Now, another sentence. Slow English is easy for me.
Slow English is easy for me.
Very good. Again.
Slow English is easy for me.
Excellent. Now, let us imagine real-life situations.
I like real life.
First situation. A restaurant. You go to eat.
Okay.
The waiter comes. You speak slowly. "Hello, I want some water, please."
Hello, I want some water, please.
The waiter understands. He smiles.
I feel happy.
Again, another sentence. "I would like the chicken, please."
I would like the chicken, please.
Slowly. Clear. Good.
That feels nice.
Second situation. Travel. You are at the airport.
Airports are busy.
Yes, but you stay calm. You speak slowly. "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?"
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Perfect. The person helps you.
Speaking slowly helps everywhere.
Yes, everywhere. Third situation, shopping.
I go shopping often.
You say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Slow, simple, clear.
I like that.
Another situation, daily conversation with a neighbor.
Oh, like saying hello.
Yes, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Again, slow is friendly.
People like slow speech.
Yes. Now, let us review again. Speaking English slowly helps you think, helps you feel calm, helps people understand you.
Speaking English slowly helps me.
Exactly. Now, let us summarize slowly. We talked about speaking English slowly. We gave examples. We practiced.
We talked about restaurants, travel, shopping, work.
Yes, all connected to speaking English slowly.
I feel more confident now.
That makes me very happy. Remember, you do not need